Oh, that's an unexpected surprise. I know you people that live with rain think this is no big deal. But to us, this is a big deal. We're in a desert and we don't get rain that often. I might even walk out in it to see what it's like. I don't know, should I brave that one? Okay, we're gonna do it. Rain hitting me, oh my God. It's raining. Look, there's water washing down the street. In the gutter. Yeah, it's a pretty good rain. We'll take it. I'm gonna go back in, I'm getting wet. It's only supposed to happen in the shower.